Welcome to Simply GIS. GIS for everyone.
Hello everyone, welcome to Simply GIS YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to add Google Earth imageries in QGIS software. You know, Google Earth provides high resolution satellite imageries which are used to verify surface features in our true color or false color composites, as well as they are widely used for ground truthing. I have a false color composite of my study area of Sentinel-2 data. I will add Google Earth imagery as base layer to check this data. To add Google Earth imagery as base layer, we need to copy these connection link. You can find these connection links in my website post, which I have given in the details. You can also simply find them in Google. So with this link, you can add Google satellite imagery. With this link, you can add Google hybrid, that is imagery as well as labels and roads are there, similar to Google Maps. And with this link, you can add standard road maps. So let me first add the Google satellite imagery. I am copying this link, copy, then go to QGIS software, and in QGIS software, let's go to layer, and in layer there is add layer. In add layer, you can find add XYZ layer. Let's click on it, and in XYZ layer, you can see there is a XYZ coordinate custom. We need to create a new service connection. Click on new, and in new I am naming it Google Map. And in connection detail there is an option called URL. You have to paste the URL copied from the website. Paste. So it is pasted. Now pick the minimum zoom level as well as maximum zoom level. And in minimum, let keep the 0, and in maximum you can set by yourself. I am setting it 20. Let's click OK. So new map is created and it has been added. Let's click on add. You can see Google Earth satellite imagery has been added to the QGIS map viewer. I am placing this map behind my false color composite. Now we can easily verify which land use class is here. As you can see, this is built up area, this is agricultural area, and this is vegetation area. You can see like this: built up area, agricultural area, tree plantation or vegetation area. In this way, you can add high resolution Google Earth satellite imageries in QGIS. If you want to add the hybrid imagery where the roads and labels will be there, you can follow the same pattern. Copy the link and go to QGIS, in layer, add layer, add XYZ layer, create a new XYZ connection, name it Google hybrid, paste the link in the URL, set minimum and maximum zoom, click OK, add, close. So you can see Google hybrid map where the roads and name places are there. So I'm placing it below the virtual raster. And in this way, you can add the other layers also. Once you added these layers, you don't have to copy paste again. You can simply go to layer and add layer, add XYZ layer, and you can select whatever map you want, Google Map or Google Hybrid, which you have already added. If you like the video, you can support us by like, share and comments, as well as subscribing the channel. Thank you. Simply GIS is offering 6 months course on basic of remote sensing and GIS. You can visit our website simplygis.in and check details about the course. It is a 6-month course. The classes will be held online on Saturday and Sunday. The time is flexible. Here is the registration form. You can click and register yourself. This is the detailed course structure. For more videos on remote sensing and GIS and tutorials of QGIS and ArcMap, please subscribe our channel Simply GIS and also click on the notification icon. There are playlists on QGIS and ArcMap. You can check them.